And welcome back to the channel. This is Chris with BFE Lights. Today I want to show you how I mounted my WS2811 LEDs using a pixel strip mount to my house. Got my pixel strip. That's how I mount it to my house. 1/2 inch PEX cut down to about 1 inch. Now with anything good with these lights, you've always got to do your layout. So I'm using XLights for mine. Here's my setup. That's my house. I got some arches, some other stuff. Right now, I only have this line and this line. What I'm doing is just a test. We're in North Texas, it's about 91 degrees. It's June 18th right now. So there's a piece of PEX right there at the bottom. I've got a jumper soldered and shrink wrapped on for later use. On this vertical one, I've only got 3 pieces of PEX holding it up. There's one at the bottom right there. I got one in the center and one at the top. Now the horizontals, I got 5 pieces of PEX holding it up. It's about 9 foot and it's still doing good. We're on day 2 right now and it looks great. So if you got a better way to do it or a cheaper way to do it, let me know down in the comments below.